Hi there, we're here to share an honest review of 23 Minutes in Hell by Bill Wiese, based on feedback from members of our family who've read it. This book dives into one man's harrowing experience of visiting what he describes as hell, offering readers a vivid and sobering account. What stood out to our family was the book's detailed storytelling. Bill Wiese paints a picture so vivid, it feels like you're right there experiencing what he saw and heard. The book prompted a lot of meaningful discussions in our home, especially about faith and life after death. It's an easy read, and despite the heavy topic, the chapters are structured in a way that keeps readers engaged. While it's thought-provoking, we recommend approaching it with an open mind. Some parts might feel intense or even unsettling for younger readers or those new to this type of topic. Also, keep in mind that the book reflects one person's experience, so interpretations may vary. Overall, our family found 23 Minutes in Hell to be a deeply impactful read. It's great for anyone curious about the subject or looking for a book that inspires deeper thinking about spirituality. If this sounds like something you'd enjoy or share with others, it's definitely worth checking out.